Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Spotify something went wrong. So there are a few steps you have to take if your Spotify is indicating that something went wrong. First, you have to open your Spotify app, and when you get the notification, the next thing you have to do is to go to your settings. So right here on my settings, I'm just going to scroll gently, click on the app management, click on my app list and search for Spotify app. So right here, you just have to click on storage and cache. Clear your cache, and you can also clear your storage, but have it in mind that when you clear your storage, all the details you have on your Spotify will be cleared off. So I advise you clear only your cache if you don't want that to happen. And after that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store app. So right here on my Play Store, just have to make sure that your Spotify app is updated. If your Spotify app is updated, you can just off your phone and on it in few minutes time. That way you'll be able to open your Spotify again and see all the features you want to get from your Spotify. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to fix Spotify something went wrong. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.